Hey everyone, from this video, you'll learn how you can create your own brand style in just a few minutes, including a logo, banners, and even social media designs. This video will be useful for those who want to start their own business, but don't want to invest resources and time into designing, or for those who just want to explore all the possibilities of artificial intelligence tools. So, let's give it a try. Go to the Looka.com website. Here you can enter the company name. Let's say it's Ayana. And let's assume it's a flower business. So we choose a flower shop. Here, Looka offers us options for logos that are close to what we want. I prefer fairly simple and concise logos. Like this, for example. Next, you can choose a color. I think blue and green would be suitable for flowers. Next, you need to write your company's name and slogan. Well, let's go with Ayana Flowers. And I'll skip the slogan part. Click Continue. Here, you can choose symbols for the company that will be displayed on the logo. Let's see, what options will this tool suggest for a flower shop? Let's say I like this one. Choose to continue, and wait a few seconds for the system to generate logos. So, now you can see various logo options. Some are quite funny, and some are more stylish. Let's say I like this logo. Choose to continue. And here you can also make changes if there's something you don't like, change symbols, the business name and colors. Looka also suggests choosing logo options, but all these features come at an additional cost. Here you can make a design for social media pages. For example, a social media profile. Let's see how the logo might look. Here you can create a signature for emails. Everything in a branded style. Looka also suggests making souvenirs. And I kinda like these mugs. Let's see what a brochure would look like. So, they are all in the same color palette. I would replace the photos, but overall, it looks quite decent, considering that it took me only a few minutes. You can also create ad banners for Instagram, Facebook, and so on. And of course all of this is not free. So, here you can check the pricing. Simply downloading a logo will cost $20. If you want to create several designs, it's probably more convenient to take this package for $96 per year, and here you get unlimited design options. Or you can try a $65 package if you only need to make a few logos. In general, Looka is cool. Again, if you don't want to spend a lot of time creating your brand style and if you're not too picky. So, was this video helpful? And would you use this service to test your business hypotheses? Let me know in the comments. Also hit the like and subscribe buttons for more video tutorial like this. See ya!